Human wisdom divides. Human wisdom. Ano pa, paano ba sa Tagalog ang human wisdom? Hindi kaalaman eh. Ang karunungan ng tao, yun minsan ang isang naghahanap. In the Bible, no, St. Paul shows us this, no? 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 10 to 25. 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 10 to 25. I hope some of you are opening your Bible so that in case we want to read this, it can be read. Diyan, ang exhortation, ang pinapaliwanag ni San Pablo, yung karunungan ng tao, napakalayo sa karunungan ng Diyos. At hindi pinasasama ni San Pablo rin. Hindi rin pinasasama ni San Pablo yung wisdom ng tao, hindi rin. Hindi niya rin pinasasama. Pero ang sinasabi niya rito, pag ang laging umiira ay ang karunungan ng tao na nakahati, nagkakaroon ng division. Ang mga magkakaibigan, sa isang sitwasyon o isang pangyayari, pag nagkaroon ng opposing views, minsan nagkakaroon ng disgrasya. And what normally will unite it? Normally, when one submits to the other, that is only when unity happens. And normally, that submission is always involved in following the will of God. Kaya di ba, kapag hindi tayo nagpakumbaba at lagi natin itinaas yung ating kaalaman, yung ating karunungan, hindi natin matatanto, hindi natin malalaman, hindi natin ma-enjoy ang karunungan ng Diyos. Sapagkat ito'y napakalayo. This is very beautiful. No? Paul says, God's foolishness is wiser than the wisdom of men. There is no continuity between human wisdom and God's. The wisdom of God is of a different order. We can never reach out to it through human wisdom. On the contrary, human wisdom is an obstacle to it. Human wisdom is an obstacle to the wisdom of God. Human wisdom. Pwede natin sabihin na yung talino natin, although hindi naman masama ang talino, pero pag yun ang pinahirap natin at hindi natin ipasakop sa katalinuhan at karunungan ng Diyos, doon tayo matidisgrasya. And I think somehow, kita-kita natin yan sa gobyerno natin. Kita-kita natin yan sa mga matatalino. Kita-kita natin yan dyan sa masyadong marunong. No? Parang ang hirap makaisa. Kasi nagsasalita ka pala, medyo hinahanap niya na yung pangontra niya. When in fact, God establishes order through humility, through love, through acceptance, through submission. He talks about these things even in the family, di ba? Man, love your wife. Woman, be submissive to your husband. This is the wisdom. Kaya na, when woman becomes very, very, powerful, seems to be very powerful, that is what the problem is. When man starts to see himself as higher than the woman, not loving the woman, but higher than the woman, that is where many things fail. Because that is not the wisdom of God. Human wisdom divides.